In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile photo on Tripadvisor. It's a simple process, and I'll take you through every step so you can personalize your profile and add a photo that represents you best. First, let's open up a web browser and head over to tripadvisor.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login details and press Enter. After you're logged in, you should see your profile icon in the same top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the Profile option. By doing this, you'll be directed to your personal profile page. Once on your profile page, focus your attention on where your current profile photo is located. You might already have a profile picture, or there might simply be a placeholder image. Either way, look for the camera icon or directly click on your existing profile photo, as this is how you initiate the change. Now a small window will pop up, presenting you with the Upload Photo option. Select that option to proceed. This prompts the system to open a window that will allow you to browse through your computer files. Navigate through your folders to find the image you want to use as your new profile photo. A quick tip here. Make sure the picture you select is clear and appropriately cropped to fit as a profile picture. Images too large or small might not display correctly, so ensure the file is of good quality. After you have selected the picture from your computer, you might have the opportunity to adjust it for the best fit. Some adjustments might include cropping or rotating the image to your liking. This makes sure your photo appears exactly how you want it to be seen by others browsing your Tripadvisor account. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click on the Save button. This will finalize the changes and update your profile with the new photo. Your updated profile photo is now live for others to see. And that's it. With your new profile photo in place, you're all set. Updating your profile picture is a wonderful way to personalize your presence on Tripadvisor. It adds a unique touch and helps others recognize you easily, whether you're posting reviews, saving travel ideas, or planning your next adventure. Personalizing your profile can also make your Tripadvisor experience more engaging and enjoyable, so enjoy showcasing your favorite image. Thanks for joining me today, and happy travels.